Welcome to video on value at risk offered by FRM-I. Now, value at risk is one of the most important concepts in your FRM exam. You will get introduction to value at risk in FRM-I, and FRM-II actually goes lot deeper in the concept. This concept was basically first used in JP Morgan, that is one of the largest investment banks in the world, in the decade of 1990s. Now, if you consider the portfolio of any investment bank, the investment bank trades in, say, various asset classes such as currency. They trade in financial securities such as bonds and stocks. They also trade in commodities such as say crude oil and gold and metals and things like that. In addition to that, the investment bank would also trade in the financial securities from the emerging market, and there are number of desks which are devoted to the trading of all these different asset classes. Now, if you are running an organization that has so much vast portfolio, and if that be the case, then the question is, how do you quantify the risk of the portfolio of your institution? Because if you want to submit a report to the top management of the organization outlining the risk faced by the portfolio of the institution, you cannot say that the risk faced by, say, currency portfolio is this much, risk faced by financial securities and bonds portfolio is this much, risk faced by say emerging market desk is this much, and so on and so forth, because the reason is there are simply too many desks to give reported this way. And if you want to submit the report to the CEO or the top management of the organization, of course they don't have all the time in the world to go through all the reports. So as a solution to that, JP Morgan came up with one number that captured the risk of the portfolio, and they call that number as value at risk. Now, moving on to what exactly value at risk is, it gives the amount of probable loss on the portfolio over certain time interval, such as, say, 1 week, 1 month, or etc. And also the confidence level, such as 95%, 99%, etc. So what it means is, if you specify that the value at risk at 99% over 1 month is equal to, say, $1 million. So what it means is there is 99% probability that a loss on the portfolio over 1 month will be less than $1 million. So that is the meaning of value at risk. And as you can see here, if you want to specify value at risk completely, you need to specify the time interval, such as, say, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, or whatever, and also the confidence level, such as 95%, 99%, etc. So if you find any one of those two specifications not given, then in that case the value at risk hasn't been completely specified. So in order to completely specify value at risk, you need to give these two specifications. Now, after having seen the value at risk and how it is specified, it is even more important to see what value at risk is not and what are the limitations of value at risk. The most important limitation of this measure, value at risk, is that value at risk is not a measure of maximum loss, because understand that it just tells you that there is, say, 99% probability that a loss on your portfolio will be less than some amount, say $1 million over say next 1 month. However, it does not tell you anything about the possible loss in the remaining 1% of the cases. Now you know that there is 99% probability that the loss on my portfolio over 1 month is going to be, say, less than $1 million. Fair enough. But what about the remaining 1% of the cases? Unfortunately, value at risk doesn't tell you anything about what happens in the remaining 1% of the cases. And at times the maximum loss on the portfolio can exceed the value at risk significantly. So under no circumstances value at risk should be looked upon as if it is a measure of maximum loss. This video has been developed by FRM-I. That is our Facebook page, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. And if you need any guidance or any help regarding anything related to FRM1, you are most welcome to contact us at the email address that is given there, frmbirdy@gmail.com. And right now we are in the process of recording more videos related to different topics on FRM1, and we are going to upload some videos on YouTube. We are also going to have some videos that will involve some nominal charge, and the charge will be extremely nominal, such as probably 50 Indian rupees, or say less than $1.50 for a video with 5 solved examples. Okay, so our plan is to offer the video solutions of different FRM level difficulty questions. And thank you.